Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. I'm here with Oscar. He's our production manager, and he's holding an interesting product. It's called a slide slicker, and what this does, it's made out of a plastic piece that you put underneath a flush floor slide, and Oscar's going to show you where this goes and how this works. There's a skid under there that when the slide closes, it rides on top of this slide slicker, and it protects the floor from scuffing or marking of any kind. Just in case you have like a pebble or something like that, it's going to protect that floor from any kind of scuffing. So if you have any questions about our slide slickers, give us a call at 844-284-6678, and you can get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.